Hi there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together. And today we bring you Lesson 41 on asking whether something you want to do is possible. Mia was surfing the internet in her room and found something that took her by surprise. She called out to
Tam.Listen to the skit for Lesson 41.
タム見て、ユウキさんがピアノコンクールで優勝したよ。あ、本当だ、すごい。来月2日にコンサートがあるよ。行きたいです。チケットを買うことができますか？予約してみるね。
Now, here's what it means line by line.
The news Mia found concerns the pianist that Tam admires, Yuki. Tam and Yuki did volunteer work together in Vietnam.
タム見て。
Tam, look.
ユウキさんがピアノコンクールで優勝したよ。
Yuki just won a piano competition.
Tam sees for herself.
あ、本当だ。
Oh, you're right.
すごい。
That's fantastic.
And that's not all. Mia says,
来月2日にコンサートがあるよ。
He's giving a recital on the 2nd of next month.
Tam doesn't hesitate even a moment.
行きたいです。
I want to go.
チケットを買うことができますか？
Can we buy tickets?
Mia replies,
予約してみるね。
I'll try booking them.Yuki
has been on Tam's mind for a long time. I'm sure she's happy for him. Today's key phrase is, can we buy tickets?
チケットを買うことができますか？
If you memorize this pattern, you'll be able to ask whether you can do something you want to do.
Let's examine it in detail. チケット is ticket.買うことができますか means can we buy? It's made by following the verb 買う to buy with ことができますか Today's point is the dictionary form of a verb plus ことができますか
Dictionary form means the basic form of a verb, right?
That's right. The verb 買う to buy is in the dictionary form. Attaching ことがto that form and then adding dekimasu indicates that something is possible. Dekimasu is the MASU-form of the verb dekiru, can do. If you want to find out if something you want to do is possible, ask by making an interrogative sentence with dekimasu ka.
Okay, give it a try. Listen and repeat.
買うことができますか？チケットを買うことができますか？
Listen to a conversation in which a man is inquiring about something at a hotel's front desk.
すみません。歌舞伎はどこで見ることができますか？
本日ですか？お調べします。
Here's what the conversation means.
すみません。歌舞伎はどこで見ることができますか？
Excuse me, where can I see kabuki?
Kabuki is one of Japan's traditional forms of theater. どこで is where and is used to ask where something is occurring. 見る means to see. With ことができますか the man is asking where he can see kabuki.
本日ですか？お調べします。
Today, let me check.
本日 is today. It's a polite way of saying 今日。お調べします is a humble expression of the verb 調べる to check.
Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat.
どこで見ることができますか？ 歌舞伎はどこで見ることができますか？すみません。歌舞伎はどこで見ることができますか？
Let's practice with another example. Imagine you're calling a restaurant to ask if you can make reservations. Make reservations is
席を予約する。席を予約する。
start with
すみません。すみません。席を予約することができますか？
Got it?
Now to step up. In today's skit, Mia said the date of the recital was 来月2日, the second of next month. Today we'll learn to say dates. The 1st to the 10th of the month have special forms.
Listen and repeat. The first,
1日、
the second,
2日、
the third,
3日、
the fourth,
4日、
the fifth,
5日、
the sixth,
6日、
the seventh,
7日、
the eighth,
8日、
the ninth,
9日、
the 10th.
10日。
From the 11th to the 31st, you just add 日, meaning day, after each number. So, for the 11th, 11, and 日 becomes 11日.
Huh, that's easy.
Yes, but even there, you've got to be on the alert for exceptions. For example, dates ending in the number 4 have 4日 at the end. So the 14th is 14日, and the 24th is 24日. Another exception is the 20th. It's pronounced 20日. But don't worry though. Once you start using them, they'll become second nature.
Okay, listen to the skit once again.
タム見て、ユウキさんがピアノコンクールで優勝したよ。あ、本当だ、すごい。来月2日にコンサートがあるよ。行きたいです。チケットを買うことができますか？予約してみるね。
はるさんの知恵袋。
In Harusan's bag full of advice, we'll talk some more about kabuki.
Kabuki is one of Japan's best-known traditional performing arts. UNESCO has recognized it as part of the intangible cultural heritage. In kabuki, male actors play all the roles, including those of women.
And its colorful makeup is a distinctive part of the performance.
It outlines the veins and muscles and exaggerates them. Red lines indicate a good person, and indigo lines indicate a villain.
Kabuki is also known for the moments when the actors stop and strike a dramatic pose with their eyes wide open. Those poses are struck to up-tempo music. Now, the purpose is said to be giving the audience something like a close-up, but of course, this all started before modern cameras and modern lighting.
Some kabuki theaters provide English subtitles and explanatory information. Try to take in a performance when you visit Japan. We hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Join us again next time.